So hello everyone, this is my first vlog after a really long time, and today it's all about I'm going for a 20-kilometer run. After a really long time, it's my first long distance running. Last time I've done a very short distance, that was a 8 kilometer and the 5 kilometer, and today it's 20 kilometer. First let's get ready for it. So I got ready now for the run. I've targeted 20 kilometers. In one go it will be 10k and coming back 10k. Whole video I'll be not able to shoot definitely, but some of the moments I'll be sharing with you people. Please note, don't anyone who is watching this video, make sure you're not doing because someone is doing. I've been training for a little long short period of time. Based on that, I'm taking this task in my way. So make sure to do something under the guidance. So getting started with the run. At every 5 kilometers I'll be taking a break, I'll be having a walk, and full video I'll be not able to shoot. Maybe my storage won't be allowing me. So yeah, let's go. I've carried one bag, but I will say I've taken water. Knee caps needed after 5 kilometers. Some cash in case of any emergency. So when it comes to running, that's not a sign that you're overall fit or something. You're working on a part of the element that is known as your cardiovascular endurance, which helps you to build your stamina. The running which I'm doing, it is not for running. It is with some purpose to build my endurance. I just want to see myself if I can push a long distance run in one go. Yeah. Personally, I'll not suggest anyone to run on the roads. It's not safe too much, but once in a while it's fine. Yeah. Towards the corner, the road is empty, pretty empty right now. So yeah, weather is also fine, not too sunny. Oh, it's here. At 2.2 kilometers, I was about to stop and I got a catch on my stomach and but we continue. Now it's getting early. So I completed 5 kilometers. I'll take a short walk. So for since it's a underground, I've come almost 6.7 kilometers. Taking a short break and still 4k to go to complete second lap. This is the beauty of the roads, man. In running, what makes things difficult is whenever there is a hill, it becomes very difficult. So already you're tired and running a long distance, and again on the top of this, top this hill, and that gives a good challenge. Yes, makes feel good once you complete, but make sure you're not, if you're running at all, you never skip hills. Yeah. When you run, the way your mind works, the way your mind treats you, it's very crazy. I started 2 kilometers. The moment I started running, till 1 kilometer it was fine. After 1.5, you got to catch on the stomach. You got to catch in the stomach, and later I thought I'll stop there itself. But since I had to fix mind to complete that 10k, I said okay, so we'll go slowly. So I convinced my mind, slow, don't stop. So I just slowed down my speed. I just slowed down my sleep. I just slowed down my speed and started moving forward slowly. 3 kilometers was back to normal. and now it's almost 8 kilometers and doing well. So yeah man, whenever I feel low and confident, okay, yeah, you find your mind is not helping you, pushing you, once in a while definitely will give a try to this running and make you understand how if you convince your mind to keep going, it actually supports you. So keep going. Finally completing my 10 kilometers. Just 3 seconds and wait for it. Go there, I take some rest, I wear my kneecaps because there is some impact on the calves and knees now. I'll wear those and again get back to my main road. 10 kilometers. So 10k is completed. Finally, again I'll go back. At 5 kilometers I'll stop again, walk and keep you updated about those. Let's go. Now 4 days given already. This is the 6th time I'm getting cramps on my calves. So not stop, but I walk for a while. The body is recovering. Everything again. So almost completed 13 kilometers. I got a cramp. Just saw an officer. So we spent some time with them. So yeah, let's understand. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಹಾಂ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗು ಒಂದು 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಈಗ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಏನೇನು
ಅದು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ 8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
AB ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್. ನೀವೇನೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ
ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವೇನೋ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಡೈಲಿ ರೂಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗು ಮೇಬಿ 5:30ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು
ಓಕೆ.
ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ವಾಕ್
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಇದು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Met with the sun, good officer, some small chat. Again, back to the track. Running started. Let's back to the route, man. It's so late now. Going back to my gym. Got some energy because of the rest. Hope we'll complete next 5 kilometers without stop. That's more. Now 7:30. Late for the walk now. Almost 18 kilometers now. So body has already given up. My calves getting again and again cramps. Guys, 18 kilometers is done today. Chapter is closed. Finally, so 18 kilometers is done. Going to the gym. And then let's see if I have some inquiries to attend. We'll go home. I will have some food. Then again with morning routine. Finally at the home after a small haircut. Going to home, have food, have bath, and I'll wind up today's session. So let me wind up this video with short learnings and what I did in between this. How was the experience? What I did before the running. I'll not try to be a very motivational or something. I try to be as practical as possible. So no unnecessary motivations. So yeah, before I begin with run, I had this very good 2.5 hours of sleep so that I'll not have any issues while running. Prior that, I had filled myself with proper complex carbohydrate, protein and some good fats and fibers. I didn't hydrate myself very well because of the lack of time. That was something I faced problem in between because of that, sorry. So later I began with getting ready to the run, and I had this bag in which I kept 1 liter of water bottle, some cash for emergencies, and this phone for a shoot. Prior to that, after that, I did warm up, mobility drill, dynamic drills, and began with running. So the proper learning was no again fancy motivations. The moment I started running, I had this very bad cramps within this 1.5 kilometers. I was about to stop in between. I thought I'll take a break and then start. But before I began with running, I had this planning in mind that the moment I start running, I'll not take any gaps before 5 kilometers. So I had convinced my mind that okay, I'll complete 5 kilometers because that is what my capacity right now. Because I had completed almost 5 kilometers without any struggle. So I had convinced my mind that I'll complete this 5 kilometers. I'll take a pause of say 500 meters, then I'll move on with the again. I'll be then I'll move towards the second lap, that is one more 5 kilometers. So that's how I completed 5 kilometers. The moment I reached 5 kilometers, I just pushed my mind that I'll complete more 3 or 2 kilometers, then I'll take a pause. So this is how I just pushed myself, and yes, between that and that's how I completed 8 kilometers. And after that I had to take some back walks because I didn't wanted to stop. So I just slowed down myself after 7 kilometers, 8 kilometers I completed. And the moment I reached 9.5 kilometers, I gave my best and I just pushed my speed, and that's how I completed 10 kilometers. The one thing I learned very important was that it's not always your mind, okay, like physical condition also matters, okay. So I was after 15 kilometers I was ready to run with my mind that I wanted to complete with this 20k, but after 15.5 kilometer or 16 my body totally gave, and every movement, every second I was running, every step I was running, I was getting cramps in my body. And it was because I was not physically ready, because I have not trained for 20 kilometer runs before that, and definitely maybe because of dehydration or sodium intake, etc. So that so the only learning is like but sometimes playing with mind. This run was just to convince myself that what my limits is, and this is what I got to know, that if I'm able to push, actually my capacity was only 6 kilometers, and I was if I really convince myself, to be very honest, my capacity was just 6 kilometers, okay. And later I was able to push to 10, and that made me to complete more 5 kilometers. So that's how in a very one stretch I was able to complete 15 kilometers. And slowly later 3 kilometers I did a bike walk, some because I was very having a bad cramps. So I did some back walk, again slow jog, again back walk, again slow jog. And 18 I had to stop because my condition was really bad. I was walking like a guddu bhaiya proper guddu bhaiya. And later I stopped and I reached the gym and normal things. So again anyone who's watching this video, a humble request not to get motivated and do these things blindly. So anyone who's watching, definitely if you start something, make sure you're doing under the guidance, proper safety, proper training, and then you leave. And especially on the road side, not suggest anyone because it's not totally safe. Some never know like from the where the vehicle is coming, in which lane you are running. So unless you have some proper safety and guidance, proper training, if you have some open grounds, definitely you can go and try there. If there is a proper area and the running track, it's safe. This whatever I did, it was not to perform in athletic way. This is just to check my limit, and I was very aware what I was doing. So it was just to make myself realize how much I can push myself. So this was just to it was just limited to myself. So not to it was not to make motivate someone and to do the same thing. It was something I did for myself. So in terms of learning, I'll be sharing other content which you can really implement with proper guidance. So thank you so much. Hope it was good for you to see and watch. See you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy. So at last I'll wind up the things with some of the learnings I had in this 18-kilometer run, which was supposed to be a 20-kilometer run. And what I did to complete this journey. So definitely prior to this I had a very good hour of sleep, almost 2.5 hours of sleeps, so that I'll not have faced any issues between the run. I had fueled myself in a proper way, proper carbohydrates, complex carbohydrate, some protein, good fats and fibers. The moment I started getting ready, I had this bag in which I carried one water bottle, 1 liter, some cash for any emergencies, and this phone, definitely for a shoot. And the moment before beginning that, I did this mobility drill, dynamic drill, so that I'll not face any issues. I began running. Definitely I'll not try to be that motivator guy or no motivation. I try to be as practical as possible or as genuine as possible. The moment I began with this run, within this 1.5 kilometers, I was having this very bad cramps. I thought I'll take a pause and I'll sit somewhere and then I'll begin. But before planning running, I had this thing in mind. I fixed this thing in my mind that I'll start the running. I'll stop at 5 kilometers. Before that, I'll not stop anywhere. I might jog, but I'll not stop. I'll not take a pause. I'll not sit anywhere. So within during that cramps, I didn't stop. I just kept moving. Within 500 meters I was perfectly fine. So this is how I completed this 5 kilometers. The moment I was about to reach 5 kilometers, I just pushed myself that I'll complete more 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers, okay, and I'll not take a pause. So this is how I completed this 8 kilometers. After that, my body was really exhausted. I was dehydrated. I purchased one water bottle. I was again doing a back walk continuously. In between, I saw this officer sitting a while beside the road. So I just approached him like, hi sir, can I take your small interview? I'm shooting a video. I just completed this run, all those things. So he was like, okay sir, I'll do this, and he was excited and he was very helping in nature and he was very cooperating. So I just took a short video, and that was something I didn't plan. It was unplanned thing, and later again those gave me a small happiness. I just started again running back, and just before I complete this, after the moment I reached 15 kilometers, my body was totally given up, and later I again started walking, back walk, slow jog, run, and that's how I completed 18.5 kilometers. At last, I want to say those things that again, guys, anyone who is watching me and who is seeing this video is not to make you motivate and make you run blindly. Okay, this thing definitely I'll not advise. Okay, if you're doing anything, make sure you're doing under the guidance, proper safety precautions to be taken, and then only you go with the proper plan. Definitely on the road running is not recommended unless you have all the precautions with you. Okay, because you never know from which side the vehicle is coming, and it might again injuries and dangers to yourself. So don't do this without any proper planning. I have done because I have already have some of the experience with me, and my body is little capable of doing such things. So this was particularly for me myself to experience these things, and just trying to share with this on social media. So don't get motivated, stay happy, stay fit. Definitely I'll be coming with some of the informative video which will help you, which might teach you some things. So stay tuned for that on my channel. Good night.